Hey, Alan. So look, remember I told you I went on Fiverr and got a couple gigs done? So yesterday, here was the shirt that I want to be selling, but no, not this shirt. Let me show you that the guy made for me. See this one? But I'm gonna add maybe a little bit more to it. But this is the shirts I'm gonna end up selling. So I'm gonna create like a online one of them online stores where they print up shirts for you. So I'm gonna promote this T-shirt, and I'm gonna get a domain name that's available. See, it says Crypto Dollar Millionaire. But the reason I'm making this video, Alan, is I want you to tell me what you think about this ABR logo, and tell me which one you like the most.
I'll teach you how to make your cars fast. Even without lag.
Okay, Alan.
Here, Jay.
Here's the first one. Here's the second one. See how I got the little swish over it? And then you got this one. But I like this one, and I like this one. The kind of simple one, but I like this one too. It's real nice. Tell me which one you like. Is that so I can accept it, or I can just tell them to revise it. All right.
What?